Hi everyone, and welcome to Tanya Jane English. I'm Tanya, and today is One Word Wednesday. If you are wishing that you had a video that was quick and fast, then One Word Wednesday is for you. Today, our word is bolt. Bolt. And I will share 3 different meanings and 1 idiom with you. So the first meaning of the word bolt is when you hear someone say that there was a lightning bolt in the sky. A lightning bolt in the sky. Lightning is something that happens when it's raining outside. When you have a big storm, you will have lightning and thunder. The streak of light in the sky is called a lightning bolt. The second meaning of this word is bolted. For instance, he bolted from the room. In this example, we mean he ran out of the room very quickly. He bolted from the room. The third meaning, I have an example for you. This is a nut and a bolt. So this is the bolt, and here's the nut on the bolt. I need a nut and bolt to finish this project. I need a nut and a bolt to finish this project. Now, this definition of bolt is also used in an idiom in English. You might hear somebody say, we need to get down to the nuts and bolts. And what they mean is, we need to get down to the details. This is something small and has a lot of details, so we use it as an idiom. We need to get down to the nuts and bolts. Okay, now I need your help. Is there one word that you wish you understood better? Is there one word that you know has more than one meaning, but you can't figure out the difference between the meanings? Or is there just one word that you would like to have explained more? We could pick any word that would be helpful to you and help you to understand how it works in grammar, how it's pronounced, how it's spelled, and give you some examples. Let me know in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.